Subuga Sadat. Another good ball laid up quickly. Chitagenyi! What a wonderful finish from Henry Chitagenyi. The deadlock finally has been broken by the Ankole side. Second goal in the 2 games for Henry Chitagenyi. He scored in Kacheka, and yet again he has scored in Bombo. Wonderful finish with the 2 players running for that ball. Chitagenyi going in for the final rights. Delivers the ball into the back of the net. Rashid Farid has been seen walking away from this kind of a set piece, and Robert Eseru, Bernard Mwanga could be holding the rights. Eseru! Powerful rocket! Into the top right corner. UPDF equalized in only 11 minutes played in the second period. And in only 6 minutes after conceding up against the western side, UPDF Football Club 1, Mbarara City Football Club 1. The game and the smiles onto the army officers. That was another good take with a bit of that art into that ball. Good ball shot inside from Robert Yeseru. Well, he has